Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Seli Aghnaeni. I'm from Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta. I'm going to express my opinion about protecting nature is an obligation for Muslims. Sadly, many people are still not aware of protecting the earth, even though this is still an urgent problem in the world today. Can I ignore this problem? The answer is absolutely no, because if one person does not care about their obligation to nature, then it will have a big impact in the future. Like this one Muslim, where there has been an order that come directly to remind this. Islam teaches about responsibility. Responsibility for what Allah has given to human to protect and care for the earth and its content as well as possible. Even the AlQuran states that humans are considered as a tutorship for Allah SWT on earth, and their job is to take and care of this universe. Humans are given ownership right to natural resources, but are also required to carry out responsibilities towards him. Carrying out responsibility for the universe is considered valid and can bring blessing when viewed from the perspective of the Islamic religions. And secondly, in Islam there is the concept of hima, which refers to protected areas or prohibited areas established to protect nature and ecosystem. The practice of hima in Islamic history shows effort to protect land, forests, and other natural resources from overexploitation. This concept can be applied in today's nature conservation efforts. In this perspective, Muslims are also called to be a mercy to nature and the living things in it. This includes protecting and maintaining the sustainability of nature as well as treating living things well. Islam also emphasizes how important it is to think about future interests and not only focus on current interests. The concept of sustainable development is in line with Islamic teachings so that human life in balance with nature and do not turn existence. Islam also emphasizes that humans have a responsibility as caliphs on earth to maintain the balance of the ecosystem and prevent environmental damage. This is realized solely so that there is no loss for the next generation. Because Islam has really empathically reminded us as those who are given the right to live on earth, I think we should care more about nature. For this reason, Muslims are also required to strictly carry out the orders that come from him. Implementing the above concept regarding responsibility for protecting the earth is not difficult to do. In fact, when viewed from any angle, Allah gives us much more enjoyment, because after all, taking care of nature is the same as taking care of ourselves, taking care of our relationship with Allah, and taking care of fellow creatures on earth. Okay, that's my recommendation about protecting nature is an obligation for Muslim. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.